Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my food review channel. Welcome back to my food review channel. And welcome to the season 2 of my food review. And this is going to be episode 13 of this series. It's called, we're going to do something a little bit special because it's now time for the moment of the truth. It's called Papa John's Pizza. That's right, Papa John's Pizza. Excuse me. So, no further ado, we have to take a quick bite of this. Oh, oh, shoot. Sorry, I just did it all. So, here we go. This is for you, Billy Moody. Hmm. Hmm. Hey, best insurance. Ooh, tastes great. Let's try to get it in a quick bite. All right. There we go. Now here's the last bite. Better. All right. That was 8 out of 10. That wraps it up. That wraps up in my food review episode 13 on my YouTube channel. This also marks season 2 premiere. Anyways, have a great day. This is me signing out. Have a good night, everybody.